Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have a install video. We're going to be installing this extended slide lock on my Glock 45 MOS. So the only real tool you're going to need is a small flathead screwdriver. So the main reason I wanted to get an extended slide lock, if you can see here, this is the factory one, and it's a little bit hard to get out if you don't have nails. You don't have a lot of leverage on it. That's mainly the reason why. Plus, it's silver and it looks way better than the black. And let's get into it. So first things first, make sure your firearm's clear, the magazine's out, nothing is in the chamber. Awesome. So to take apart your Glock, you're gonna ghost the trigger, rack it back, and pull down on your current slide lock to remove it. That should be it. So basically what you're going to remove is this little pin right here, or you can see that slide lock moving. So what you're going to do is pull down and then shimmy it out. So how we're going to do this, we're going to put our thumb over to depress, and there's going to be a little spring in here, so you're going to make sure that you have your thumb over it, so as you're pushing it out, nothing escapes. So you can see now the new piece, and this is the old piece in comparison. A little bit hard to tell, but this is ever so slightly longer and will give me better leverage to take apart my Glock in the future. So now you can see the silver piece is in. It's fully secured and the spring is back into its correct spot. So now what we're going to do next is just put our firearms back together. Line up your guide with the back of your slide. Rack it back and it should be secured in. So I can already tell there's a much more tactile feeling. First thing we're going to make sure is to do our functions check. So rack that firearm back. Finger on the trigger, do not touch the safety. Pull on the trigger, nothing should happen. Finger on the trigger with the safety, pull the trigger, your gun should go off. Now rack it back, slowly feel for that trigger reset, bang, there you go, and everything's good. Now your firearm's back together, and you can see it's a little bit, sticks out a little bit, but it's a lot easier to pull down, a lot more tactile than the old one here. So that's the end of the video, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.